what's going on, everybody? Right now I'm just working on recording some beer review here. Got this, this is the first one I'm drinking. The Fear Imperial. It's pretty strong. I don't know how well this focus is going to work on this damn camera, but hopefully it's working pretty good. We've got new lights set up. So I'm very rusty at vlogging. It's been a long time. I'm trying to get back into it. With the lights and everything, Jessica and I will be doing Vlogmas, so we love doing Vlogmas, so that's like all December. So we'll be prepped and ready, hopefully have a good December of vlogging every day. Today, I've mostly worked and then went for a bike ride, and I took the camera, I rigged up a bag, and went for a ride up a couple big hills to do some video and pictures, take some video and pictures. On the way back, there's a hill climb that's on Strava that I've done a few times, and there's a lot of people. I didn't have the record, the KOM for it on Strava. Decided to go for it and actually got it by 30 seconds, so I'm proud of myself there. It wasn't a very long ride, I just went out for about an hour. But I'll put some of that in right now, maybe. Okay, testing this shit out. I don't know how much wind is going to be blowing into my microphone. Maybe I should move it closer to me. Wind's pretty bad right now. Try to customize a camera bag so I can pull it out and tape when riding or take pictures, whatever. I think I know where I want to go. Maybe. There we go. This isn't too fun when going up the hill. Let me take it down a couple of notches here. It's a pretty big hill, but has an awesome view up on top. I want to get a couple of pictures, maybe a little bit of video up. And slow and steady up the hill. This is my after work ride, evening ride. Pretty good spot. Bumpy. So good for a KOM. A lot of extra weight. Felt pretty good so far. Shit. Gotta pick it up. Oh, gotta be fast. Should be about 8 miles per hour. Average. That's what I need. Gotta steam up the camera. Breathe on it. This is where she gets real. Oh my God. 4 miles per hour. Okay. I get
to the top of this little part. It levels out a little bit. Oh, fuck. Figures. They were gonna go anyway. Okay. Little break. And, okay, back up the hill. More hill. This hill gets steeper and steeper. This is the workout here. Well, feels like I was doing okay, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. But I'll keep trying. Getting steep. 5 miles an hour. This is the make or break part. It's breaking me. It's breaking me bad. I'm gonna push. That's there. So close. I made it. Oh man. Holy fuck. Time to get a drink.
So yeah, that was fun. Fun ride. And oh, Big Brother's on tonight. Big Brother All Stars, season 22. So far, it's been pretty good. I've been happy with it. Watching a lot of the live feed updates on YouTube and that. If anybody is into that, let me know. We can chat about it maybe. Tell me who you like, who you don't like, who you think's gonna win. So I'm gonna start watching that now. Okay, I'm gonna cheat a little bit and do my ending of the video now before I get too intoxicated. I already have the hiccups with these beer. So I'll see you in the next video. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe, follow, and yeah, hit the like button. That'd be cool. Later.